Langkai jana long aron repen long leka cerai thap pharo Bangladesia hem katharle. Boka jana long BJP atum Vijay Sanklav bite rally ke paman. Hamran Wholesaler Cooperative Society along Ilin Sikaisi Asang Kangpu. Kardom Karbi Prime Time pen Libertar Hanbang Thare Harmony be non bir tang don pen arjikta. Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council Midu Saikam la pen keton kelang ingnam rai komatum chepengsi therepo hiniarni langkajan along aron re pen long leka cherai thap Bangladesia hem arit kipri katharle asai padudam. Karbi Anglo la pen Hojai district ahoy langkajan la pen Prantri Ahwar along therepo hiniarni Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council dihin saikam la pen keton kelang asai kam ingnam rai komatum chepengsi hem kipri mate katharle asai padudam. Langkajan along Bangladesh pen kebang Bangladeshi atum longle phelang ka cherai alam akimi kalilo Hojai district pen Karbi Anglong alongle nangke bat la pen Bangladeshi atum Pranpri ahwar la pen langkaijan bithe betha aron re alongle ka cherai hem ga chikim kedo alam patinisi katharle kepri amo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen saikeot pasupon kelang tarlip ateng langkaijan ahwar along aron re pen Bangladeshi atum hem humsuri sira Hum Farot Trokra Troksikep Rahinia Hem Do Puta Katharle Eviction aside Kejalina Tum Ningje.
Sir, thank the Lailitum Lankajan of eviction Komar Hukumel.
Like a Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council order principle.
Claim was a
dealer to dealer to survey team of Made Assam Made.
Now,
Rampri.
Thank the area keeper.
Itu area to very
Panpri.
Rampri.
Rampri sir itu Karbi Anglong under land hoy
itu amar boundary mote amar hoy
তেহলা সব বজার টু
civil বজাৰ to এতিয়ালৈকে এইটো মানে disputed area আছে মানে তাকেটো মইটো তেনেকে অৰ্ডাৰ দিয়া নাই তাত ভাঙিবলৈ
নালিয়ে টেংবতে হালাকে চিনি নে সিভিল বজাৰ কে
হালাকে মানে বাউন্ডারি ফিক্স ফেলাং হাটাকে বাসি নিটো মাকে আরলো আনছি কে ক্লেম জি পোয়ালাম সিটো
লা
লামাসি নন বাংকে পিনি বাংকে ঠেকলং ল কমামা হুকুম পেটং লা হেৰি দামৰে নিলিতা চিনি এদালো
ননালি আপোনালোকে সার্ভে কৰা নাই যে কিমান ঘৰ ভাঙিব আজি এইটো এৰিয়াত বা
পিনি কে প্লেনিং বাংকে এনেকে টোটাল হাউস অফ কে 1016 do sita la sopen kwan ba ke heri nei po bangke apor alam dokok mati di lasi gutte ke claim aji pola so bangke IMP lege bangke ene ke forest room si bisi chini ji
nangli kene ye teng bolte 2 kilometer dolang nangli karja bo mandin pen pote non civil bazar ke kilometer civil piposi ba freelong dela
mane boundary pura fix hela la so alam si la ke pulune straight line si dokok por nili thangdan protect la bangke
Det adang pialong there niphai ke thom arni ada porphai kep apor pen Vijay Sankav bite really ke pamana long pachiton dun si bogajana long ta ke pamandun abirta pherangke ananterang ben birta nangpale
hanjang lang solong kedo BJP bogajan block model methanga sai hemalong pen bike rally kapaman pon lake Indian Air Force pilot Pakistan pen India nangachele la so ningarong kachipi pen si bike rally paman pon la so asaya long bogajan MLA Dr. Numol Momin EM atum Jagat Singh Inti Madhujya Dhikyal Phukon NJP BPM Amai Putileshwar Siam Lapen Lakhiram Rongpi atum pen Chenglong Humpharo Phoso se bike pacha jengsi Kebangji MP Kilik Aphan Kepacha Thang Ke Cheng asai amen pen Lapen Mesen pen Laso Vijay Sankal bike rally pachun pon
Affordable Nutrition and Nourishment Assistant pen kiduk det arara phan panong si Ilin Sikaisi anam asang there ni pa hini arni Hamran Wholesaler Cooperative Society pen the Hamran Fishery Training Hall along MLA Dr. Mansing Rong pen ingpu pon tang lu pasini litum card news pherang ke khondor kroben bilta nangpale Kangpu amailo analo porphai krisi apor pen Hamran Wholesaler Cooperative Society pen mai je paipu ponsi MLA Dr. Mansing Rong alizar po aman pen chitong dun Mailong Agriaman pen West Karbi Anglong Assistant Commissioner Pratha Johori, Hamlet Town Committee Chairman Beren Jiso, Assistant Director Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs pen Danglong, Ongdung ke theke dingatum chetongdun. Mailong Amarsi MLA Dr. Mansing Rong Pipen Jasi Binana Tumafan, Kechengsi Ilin Sikai Si Anam Asan Piponlo. Mailong Alang Lipen Kaninji Atenke Theri Achiklum, Penkadukawe Reason Card Pen Sitame Ilin Sikai Si Pensi Chonam Longpo. Ladak Delara Tumpen Sitame Sikai Si Pen Apat ke Majok Along Ta Endulong Lipusi MLA Rong Pipen Lam Theke Jai Khod Raraphan Pachini. Hamren Wholesaler Cooperative Society Amaipur Joy Singh Dipen Maipu Alam Theke Jai Khod Kaninji Atenke Majok Delara Tum Sitame Ilin Sikai Si Pen Attack and Death Pulote Delar Kiklem Bomb Alu Tame Kangthan Paduji Pusi Ningje Halapu Kironi Along Kedo Socheng Lems Along BPL Atum Apanta Sang Elin Along Sekaisi Anam Pen Ron Ponlo Theri Nipai Hiniarni Pen Kechengsi Arni Kopli MSC Constituency VDC Chairman Hon Singh Terang Lapen Lems Chairman John Singh Tera Lapen Bangso Along Kiruni Ahawar Arleng Kesa Bules Inghi Chetongdun Namalang support Bertamo Ton Ponixina.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number, and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust, and machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU, and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework, and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief, and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, no nalok Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi di arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so lapen soar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig nun.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamu pipotat bertalong wang tulo. Dogmuka Town Committee ke parlo Ward number 3 Depot Timung Arong Thaire Niphai Hiniar ni Mahamaya Constituency MSC Mate Karbi Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron Saike Klempom Adimalong Kelang Charidam Abirta Card News along Birta Nang Pale
Laswalong Ward number 3 Commissioner Prohalat Timung Samilang so Block Mandar Chun Bang Babutiso Atum Chitong Dun Pinpur Me Kidam Tang DTC Kiliga Hud Karbi Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron Rada Phanlam Chakachipia Tengpen Deport Timung Arong Along Aningkanwang Barla Apora Hud Langkit Hepen Rong Langkang Rumvera Jok Rong Arada Tumke Do Kitaka Kisung Nang Vera Dimalong Long Late Hokpen Kapat Jok Ponjiapan Saya Moklem Pon Pangcheng Pon Bomlo
Kiram dang thang Niphai Inkoran Narkep Arni Arning Assam Apor Dipu IT Angkang Dipu Lamding Road Sunasing Terang Arong Amekar Sangpi Mina Terang Pi Lepen Asupi Hunmili Teron Pi Awotar ID Ingbodet Dipu Lamding Road 4 km Sunasing Terang Arong Amekar Mongol Sing Teron Achor Mina Terang Pi Lepen Asupi Hunmili Teron Pi Atum Voter ID Dipu IT Angkang Ingbodet Lasi Kelong Akorte Injir Abang Aling Sitame 897-45-14922 Anambora lang Kepachini Jiapan Chunungri Lapen Ninggang Sampen Nong E Masabet Sitame Kepajir Jiapan Ta Alang Nitumpen Pachini Karbi Prime Time Lapan Sigang Ton Ponigla Dome Thangme Kurwang 2